It is coming up on 6:15. Betsy Kling joining us now on Flake Patrol, I understand.
Always keeping my eye out, definitely. And we do have a few that are mixing in. Jay said Tracy out there over towards Chagrin Falls said that they are getting some snowflakes. So wet snowflakes are around. There's still a lot of rain though. Temperatures are currently in the mid 30s here at the surface, but just above the surface, we're still below freezing and the whole air column is cooling now that the sun is getting lower and lower in the sky. We're anticipating temperatures here in Cleveland to stay relatively steady tonight. Farther south, we're probably going to cool off a little bit more. Instability showers are definitely starting to line up. Would not be surprised if we see showers into the late night hours at this point, but there is some drier air that's trying to work in here. The big thing is that it's a northwest flow coming across the lake, which is relatively warmer than the air temperatures right now. And we are going to start to see this balance starting to get upset. So the cooler air is flowing in. You can see once we get out into the higher terrain areas, remember it's colder in the atmosphere the higher up you go. And when the actual land mass goes up, the air cools too. That's why skiing is still ongoing out in the Rockies, and our ski season here in Northeast Ohio is over, but you can see that those snowflakes are coming down. So wet snowflakes a possibility for just about anybody where we have any of those showers that are coming in. Air temperature is down to 35 now in Ashtabula, 37 Worcester, 42 in tropical Dover, but it is a stark contrast from where we were yesterday at this point in time. Some 25 to nearly 40 degrees colder right now than what it was 24 hours ago. And of course, that temp drop hit hard early this morning. This is the last 20 hours of temperatures, and you can see how it just continued to descend, and now we are at 36, and I think we're going to bottom out here. When that cold air came in, man, did you feel or hear the wind gusts? We've had wind gusts up near 50 miles per hour in some locations today. Thankfully, the wind gust speeds are going to start to come down as we head through the night, things calming on for us, but you can see we're still getting wind gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour, and as the rest of the evening goes on, we have that northwest wind that's settling down. We have drier air that's moving in, even though it's colder air. We are anticipating that most of the lake effect should shut down overnight. And by tomorrow morning, daybreak, we're going to be cold with temperatures only in the 20s. Mostly clear skies will be the rule for you. The wind switches back around from the northwest to the southwest, and that, coupled with sunshine tomorrow, will help us to get back up to around 40 midday and back into the low 50s in the afternoon. This is just a scooch above average for this time of the year. But that's actually where the story gets kind of interesting, because then as we head into the weekend, we have a couple more storm systems that we are going to be tracking. So just to kind of put things into perspective, this is the storm system that we've been dealing with today, right? The rain changing over to snow. There's tomorrow's dry air, and then the next round of storm systems setting up to the west of us. So Saturday and late Sunday, if you have any outdoor plans, you may need to pivot or just keep the rain gear handy. It's just a heads up that we have some rain that will be with us. So Friday looks dry, even if it's a, mild day for us. Then look what happens here as we get into Saturday. This big storm system starts to fire up over the Great Lakes region. It's going to bring us some rain for Saturday to start. A little snow mix on the back end of Saturday, a possibility. We get a break early Sunday before another storm system sweeps in Sunday night and sets us up with rain on Monday. Here's your Union Home very busy forecast. Temperatures going from the 50s tomorrow with sunshine. Enjoy that sunshine while you can, because kiss it goodbye. We have rain showers that are going to be around for Saturday. A little peak of sun Sunday morning, more rain likely Sunday night into Monday. Yet more coming our way midweek, but next week, late week, that's when we're anticipating the pattern change to come back.